Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about distinct function in Power BI. So, the distinct function returns a single column table of a unique value when a column name is given. If the table is supplied, distinct return all the unique combination of the values. So, why generally we use distinct? So, whenever there is a requirement that we need a unique value of a column from a table, we can use distinct function. If there is a requirement that we need to return a combination of all the unique value which is present in a table, so with the help of a distinct function we can able to do it. So this is the signature of distinct function. It's taking either column name or table expression. So if it takes the column names to be extracted unique value from. So it will, if we are going to provide a column name, it will going to calculate all the unique value which is present in the that particular column. So this is the example. So suppose we want to take the unique value which is present in the AP customer ID. We need to supply this table name here. If you want to just take all the unique value which is present in the AP unit price, so this column name we have to supply as a parameter value in column name. Table needs to be extracted unique combination of values. So, and suppose there's a requirement that we want to get all the possible combination of the unique values which is present in a table. So instead of a column name, we have to supply the table or table expression. So what the distinct function will going to do? It will return all the unique combination of values. So this is the example of this table expression. So in the form of we have to give the full table name that AP sales by store, AP sales by. So this is the table name which we need to give as a parameter value in this table expression in the distinct function. Trying to build a relation model from a single blended table, use distinct to create a new lookup dimension table by extracting unique value from a field in the table. So most of the time, now let's understand this statement, right? Many times we have a very big table, right? And we want to create certain kind of a data model by taking some values from that big table. So what we generally do, we create a new lookup or dimension table with the help of a distinct function. And once the lookup and dimension table gets created by extracting the unique values, then we can create a relationship between this lookup or dimension table to the bigger table out of which we have created this lookup and dimension table with the help of a distinct function. So this is a very commonly used practice that if you want to create some lookup and dimension table, then with the help of a distinct table we can able to do it. This is the data model which we going to use in this exercise. If you want to understand the data model, then please watch video number 12 in this playlist. So what we are doing here, I am creating a new table, AP Retail Unique Product Group. And how the data will going to populate in this table? We are going to use this distinct function. And in the distinct function, I am taking this column, AP Retail Product Group. So it will going to take all the unique values which is present in AP Retail Product Group column which is a part of AP retail product lookup table, and it will going to create a new table which has only unique value which is present in this column. So this is the single column table, and here we can see these are the values. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values are present. These values are also present in AP retail product group, but these are the unique value which is present in this table, and which gets extracted and created this table with the help of a distinct function. So let's do this exercise in Power BI. Let me go to the table view. Let me create a new table. Let me name this table AP retail unique product. And how the data will going to populate? The data will going to populate with the help of a distinct function. This. And what is the column name? The column name is product lookup product. So see, this table gets created. What it is doing, it is taking all the value which is present in this column, all the unique values is taking from this column, and this unique value it is taking with the help of a distinct function, and it's getting populated in this column. So there are 5 values which are present in this column which are unique. So in this video we have seen how we can create a single column table with the help of a distinct function. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.